Ayan, thank you so much, Vibranium 11. Muling nagbabalik sa musical podcast from music and always getting started. And I'm your main host, Luna Lily Love. Siyempre, we are here to celebrate music to our ears. Siyempre, ang ingay talaga. Nagbibideo ka pala. At we had to discuss about bakit kasi may palaka dun sa studio niya. Ah, October pa birthday ko! Vibranium. October pa yung birthday ko. Malayo pa yung birthday ko, joke lang. Advance nga ni. Well, so I had to discuss about it. Bakit kasi may palaka dun sa studio niya. Funny thing about it, people who always listening here at 7:30 in the evening, I was officially shocked when I saw the frog behind his studio and it won't go away. Kokak, kokak. Somebody would shadow this frog. Kahit palaka lang, ayun lang ang kinatatakutan ko sa studio na. Ay! Siyempre, takot talaga ako dito sa palaka. Well, it's either pag maulan, nakakatakot talaga ang palaka ngayon eh. Well, even pagdating sa studio, grabe naman. Laking gulat niya, may palaka siya dun sa studio. Sabi daw, I need to remove this frog. Excuse me. Rivet. Well, nakakatakot eh. Kumukokak lang ako ng kokak. Kaya nga pala, alam mo yung tunog ng palaka? Ano? Kokak, kokak. So, sinabi ko, who always listening here at 7:30 in the evening, I was officially shocked when I saw nabulol. When I saw the frog behind his studio, and it won't go away. Kokak, kokak. Oh! Syempre. Thank you so much, Vibranium, for this wonderful performance. Syempre, October 31, hindi pa ako nakakapag-celebrate ng birthday concert. Kasi, i-advance ko na lang yan sa Thursday para sa ultimate birthday concert only right here on the musical podcast. Syempre, Monday to Thursday pa yung decades of sounds from classics to now. Syempre, but gusto ko kasi bigyan ng shoutout kasi malapit na daw yung birthday ko eh. Sayang naman eh. I want to give a shoutout to him because of that. Syempre, oh my goodness. Wag na natin ito patagalin. Kaya, I had to sing a few more songs before the show is about to start until 7:30 in the evening tonight. And happy tasking everyone, and this is the musical podcast.